Hey guys, Pandas do Minecraft right here. I'm watching Sergeant Nips fighting DJ B. Well, that wasn't very fast, but so many people keep on coming back. Proud IV, like NPB, and yeah, Sergeant Nips is my faction leader, but factions do not occur in the end, so I can punch him and hurt people. Even my truce. You are not my truce. Like, these guys are all good. Yeah, we're all noobs here. Yeah, like this guy. He keeps on coming back. And we keep on, us noobs are just keep on fighting back. It's an Enderman grinder, but the Enderman somehow stopped spawning? I don't know. So all we're trying to do is, like, defend it and kill him. Well, not really defend it. Just try and kill him and get his stuff. Stone sword! I have a really good sword skill. Okay. So I'm just trying to hit him with counterattacks and everything. This has Skull Breaker. It does extra damage. This will help me last longer. Oh, I disarmed him! Dang it. Okay, so right now all I'm trying to do is kill him. I'm trying to find... Ooh, this will help me. Oh, and I'll also have this. Have my poison ready. Now let's kill him. Oh, did I seriously just drink that strength for nothing? That was Sergeant Nips. My fact leader in the corner. There's MPB. She stopped bringing Privy, but I'm gonna kill her. Dead. What's in here? Nothing. Why does it show potions? No! Dang it, and he got my poison. Chest 2, poison 2, strength 2. Now I know he is here. Home Enderman. Oh, sweet, I'm getting heads. Poison at the ready. Fire. I hit him directly with him poisoned. He's poisoned. I must murder now. It is my time. No, no, that is my... Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. As you can see, this is an Enderman grinder. Oh, I am friendly. Yeah, but the Enderman stopped spawning. Like, it's unnatural. Enderman grinder, in the end, and Endermen are not spawning. It's unnatural. Okay, good. I didn't spawn in there. Yes! Yes! I must kill a huge dude. Yes. Wow. That is what he was killing us with. It's so beautiful. Stop trying to kill me. I am armed. Okay, Bavo, you are nice. You are a nice Bavo. No, it's my head. Yeah. Duke chicken. No, you are hurting. You are hurting the Persian. You are hurting. I shall not permit this. Oh, wow. He's just being a noob now. He's just bringing anything he can. He doesn't even have a good sword. He only has, well, I wouldn't say a good one. He has butter. He has mastered the power of butter. Oh. Wow, he used a poison on me. That's just sad. Any random sword, whatever. Get over here, you noob! Wow. I'm not bringing this. It's too valuable. There. Noob! 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 Yes, I got the noob. He's running. Killed him. Yes. Mwahaha. Right now I just killed him. No. Stupid huge dude. Yeah, he joined. Yeah. Where is he? Where is... I hate huge dude. No, you do not come robbing shish. Well, that was people just trying to fight. So, remember to like and subscribe. Leave something in the comments you want us to do next. Bye.